Excuse me, is this spot usually this quiet? Excuse me, is this spot usually this quiet?
Yes, especially on weekdays like today. Yes, especially on weekdays like today.
Do you come to this beach often? Do you come to this beach often?
Yes, I try to come every weekend. Yes, I try to come every weekend.
Is the water warm enough for swimming? Is the water warm enough for swimming?
Yes, it's perfect this time of year. Yes, it's perfect this time of year.
What time does the beach get crowded? What time does the beach get crowded?
Usually around noon when families arrive. Usually around noon when families arrive.
Do you know if there are lifeguards here? Do you know if there are lifeguards here?
Yes, there's one over by the red tower. Yes, there's one over by the red tower.
Is it safe to leave things on the sand? Is it safe to leave things on the sand?
I think so, but it's better to watch them. I think so, but it's better to watch them.
Have you tried the water today? Have you tried the water today?
Yes, I went for a swim earlier. Yes, I went for a swim earlier.
Do you know where the nearest restroom is? Do you know where the nearest restroom is?
It's over there near the snack bar. It's over there near the snack bar.
Is this beach good for surfing? Is this beach good for surfing?
Not really, the waves are too small. Not really, the waves are too small.
What's that island we can see? What's that island we can see?
I think it's called Turtle Island. I think it's called Turtle Island.
Do you live near the beach? Do you live near the beach?
Yes, just a 10-minute walk from here. Yes, just a 10-minute walk from here.
Is parking free at this beach? Is parking free at this beach?
Yes, but it fills up quickly on weekends. Yes, but it fills up quickly on weekends.
Have you seen any dolphins today? Have you seen any dolphins today?
No, but I sometimes see them in the morning. No, but I sometimes see them in the morning.
Do you know if fishing is allowed here? Do you know if fishing is allowed here?
Yes, but only from the pier over there. Yes, but only from the pier over there.
What's the best time to watch the sunset? What's the best time to watch the sunset?
Around 7 o'clock this time of year. Around 7 o'clock this time of year.
Is it always this windy here? Is it always this windy here?
No, today is actually quite calm. No, today is actually quite calm.
Do you know about the beach volleyball courts? Do you know about the beach volleyball courts?
Yes, they're behind us near the parking lot. Yes, they're behind us near the parking lot.
Have you tried the snack bar food? Have you tried the snack bar food?
Yes, their fish tacos are really good. Yes, their fish tacos are really good.
Is this a good beach for families? Is this a good beach for families?
Yes, the water is shallow and very safe. Yes, the water is shallow and very safe.
Do you come here to relax or exercise? Do you come here to relax or exercise?
Both. I love swimming and sunbathing. Both. I love swimming and sunbathing.
What's that white building on the hill? What's that white building on the hill?
That's the lighthouse, it's quite old. That's the lighthouse, it's quite old.
Do you know if there are showers here? Do you know if there are showers here?
Yes, there are outdoor showers by the entrance. Yes, there are outdoor showers by the entrance.
Have you seen any interesting sea life? Have you seen any interesting sea life?
Yes, there are lots of colorful fish. Yes, there are lots of colorful fish.
Is the sand always this soft? Is the sand always this soft?
Yes, this beach has the finest sand. Yes, this beach has the finest sand.
Do you recommend any other beaches nearby? Do you recommend any other beaches nearby?
Yes, Crystal Cove is beautiful too. Yes, Crystal Cove is beautiful too.
What's your favorite thing about this beach? What's your favorite thing about this beach?
I love how peaceful and clean it is. I love how peaceful and clean it is.
Do you ever bring books to read here? Do you ever bring books to read here?
Yes, it's perfect for reading and relaxing. Yes, it's perfect for reading and relaxing.
Have you seen the tide pools nearby? Have you seen the tide pools nearby?
Yes, they're amazing during low tide. Yes, they're amazing during low tide.
Is sunscreen really necessary today? Is sunscreen really necessary today?
Definitely, the sun is quite strong. Definitely, the sun is quite strong.
Do you know what time high tide is? Do you know what time high tide is?
I think it's around for this afternoon. I think it's around for this afternoon.
Have you ever seen sea turtles here? Have you ever seen sea turtles here?
No, but I've heard they visit sometimes. No, but I've heard they visit sometimes.
What's the water temperature like? What's the water temperature like?
It's refreshing, probably around 70 degrees. It's refreshing, probably around 70 degrees.
Do you prefer morning or afternoon at the beach? Do you prefer morning or afternoon at the beach?
I love both, but mornings are more peaceful. I love both, but mornings are more peaceful.
Have you tried collecting seashells here? Have you tried collecting seashells here?
Yes, there are beautiful ones near the rocks. Yes, there are beautiful ones near the rocks.
Is this beach dog friendly? Is this beach dog friendly?
Yes, but dogs must be on leashes. Yes, but dogs must be on leashes.
Do you know about beach cleanup events? Do you know about beach cleanup events?
Yes, they happen the first Saturday monthly. Yes, they happen the first Saturday monthly.
What's that boat doing out there? What's that boat doing out there?
It looks like a fishing boat. It looks like a fishing boat.
Have you ever tried beach yoga? Have you ever tried beach yoga?
No, but I see classes here sometimes. No, but I see classes here sometimes.
Do you think it will rain today? Do you think it will rain today?
No, the sky looks clear and beautiful. No, the sky looks clear and beautiful.
What's the deepest part of the water? What's the deepest part of the water?
It gets deep quickly past those buoys. It gets deep quickly past those buoys.
Have you brought food for a beach picnic? Have you brought food for a beach picnic?
Yes, I have sandwiches and fruit. Yes, I have sandwiches and fruit.
Do you know if camping is allowed here? Do you know if camping is allowed here?
No, but there's a campground nearby. No, but there's a campground nearby.
What's that bird flying overhead? What's that bird flying overhead?
I think it's a pelican, they're common here. I think it's a pelican, they're common here.
Have you ever seen a beach bonfire? Have you ever seen a beach bonfire?
Yes, they're allowed in designated areas. Yes, they're allowed in designated areas.
Do you feel safe swimming alone here? Do you feel safe swimming alone here?
Yes, but it's always better with others. Yes, but it's always better with others.
What makes this beach special to you? What makes this beach special to you?
The combination of beauty and tranquility. The combination of beauty and tranquility.
Have you met friendly people here before? Have you met friendly people here before?
Yes, beach people are usually very nice. Yes, beach people are usually very nice.
Do you know about local weather patterns? Do you know about local weather patterns?
It's usually sunny with afternoon breezes. It's usually sunny with afternoon breezes.
What would you do if it started raining? What would you do if it started raining?
There's a pavilion we could run to. There's a pavilion we could run to.
Have you ever watched sunrise from here? Have you ever watched sunrise from here?
Yes, it's absolutely breathtaking. Yes, it's absolutely breathtaking.